Hello guys, welcome to UCMJ Custom Automotive Detailing, where we don't just do automotive detailing, we also do concrete, washing driveways, patios, sidewalks, we do houses, brick, paint, be able to clean all that, fencing, so we do power washing as well. I just wanted to kind of show you a new item that I got, not this one here but the one under it. This one here is a Briggs and Stratton surface cleaner. It's a little one, right? It's only a small little washer, 12-inch washer, you know. It's a 3200 psi max washer here at 3.1 gallons per minute. Max is what it'll take. So this is what I used to use. As of today, I use a different item. But just to kind of show you some things here, as you can see, this knob here, it is centered. That's one good thing about it. Kind of dirty because I use it, right? So that's okay. But I don't know if you can hear this unit here. See if I can spin it and see if you can hear it. You hear that? It's just really loose. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but just a really, I mean, it's cheap. I say cheap, but it's like 69 bucks for this thing. Briggs and Stratton, again, like I said, surface cleaner. If you can see it right here, Briggs and Stratton. There's the details to it. If you can see that, there's 32 psi max pressure, 3.1 gallon minute max. It does hold or withstand up to 140 Fahrenheit when using it with hot water. So yeah, anyways, this little 12-inch machine has done me well. It's cleaned a lot of driveways, a lot of even decks. I'll use it on decks as well, patios, whatnot, sidewalks running up to your house, little entryways. But what I wanted to share with you today is a new one I got, and this will be an unboxing here. If you can read that, the Surface Maxx X Professional. It's a 15-inch surface cleaner. As you can see there, it's 4500 psi max on this one. Doing the research on it, you can buy these at Lowe's for about 150 bucks, 149 tax, right? But the research on this one, it's 3 gallons per minute max, which is, you know, or 3.5 max. So that's what it is. It's okay. It does what it does, and it's going to be a lot easier. It's a steel frame, casters on it. Again, it's 3 inches wider than the last one. A little bit more production with it. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like, kind of give you a comparison side by side here. Yeah, comes in the box, comes with the manual here inside, little manual. I don't want to put that on your wall. Say I got me a castered surface cleaner. Anyway, so 15-inch Surface Pro Max. This model is the SGY PWA77, just in case you wanted to know that. But yeah, good information in there. I'm sure it gives you some tips on how to clean your tips, nozzles, if you need to replace them. I'm sure there's a bunch of information in there that I'll refer to later. But that's it. That's in the box. I guess the first thing I want to note is how sturdy that is. The pin here, I guess the first thing I notice actually is it's not centered. Up the center, it is offset. We'll figure out if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find out here in just a minute when we go to test it out. But again, 15-inch, 45 psi max anyways. Inside here, oh yeah, that's the reviews I was getting here. Thing is solid. I don't know, let's see if you can hear it. Must be some ball bearings. Insert, you can actually see the ball bearing. in there. I don't know if you can see it well or not. Looks like it's got a bypass there. So yeah, these brushes are a lot thicker. Let's see if you can see that. Get this camera off of here and get it a little closer where we can see it, dive into it a little bit. So yeah, these little brushes here compared to these ones, yeah, much better. Good 1.25 inches to compared to the 1/2 inch here on the outside, and that is actually both inside and outside. The casters there. Looks like everything is stainless steel on this thing. The rod. Already screwed in. Doesn't look like there's anything in the jets there. Yeah, all stainless steel bolts. Looks like this ring is actually aluminum from what I can see. The ring around it. Yeah. This one here, it does have some stainless steel here, but it is brass. Oh, there you go. There's a good view. Let's see if I can hide some of this here in the shade. Yeah, see how loose that is there? So, anyways, you can hear how rough that sounds compared to this one here. Can't even hear it. It's so smooth. It's nice. Oh, that was with the first one there. That's the Briggs and Stratton. See if we can get it in on closer where you can see. Okay, you can see it. Fairly decent. It's still wet, so it's hard to really see, right? But you can see there. comparison, you can see the width for sure. Hopefully you can see that in the sun. Alright, with the more width, the more production you can get, the faster you can get with these jobs in and out, right? You can get a bigger concrete slab done in less time than you would with that little one. Just kind of putting it here for comparison. Oh yeah, see how easy that is to just roll? That's how easy it was too to spray it down, so. There you go. But even just the sight there, you can see the size difference. So, nice, huh? show you guys. Look at the difference. Surface Maxx Professional 15-inch surface cleaner. Great little tool. Again, thanks for watching UCMJ Custom Automotive Detailing. Where not only we do detailing vehicles, but we also detail your sidewalks, your driveways, houses, washing houses, all that. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, just want to show you guys, still kind of wet and starting to dry, but just a little bit of after here. I mean, you can see where overlap. I haven't cleaned this side yet, I've only cleaned that side, but you can see where all of the old dirty driveway is compared to the new one. Just figured I'd give you guys a quick peek. Alright, again, that's the old dirty, and then here, and you gotta realize, like, rust stains, and there'll be some other spots, right? The pigment that absorbs into some of these rocks are, we can't do nothing about them. You could try some CRL. A lot of times that will help, but it won't completely get rid of the rust spots, but just kind of show you before and after. Like I said, it still needs to dry up and be clear, but yeah, just figured I'd give you guys a